Hey,
Hey
y'all,
y'all,
welcome back. Today we're gonna make a quick link balloon curtain. Who's excited?
Yes, me.
Hers is. For this project, of course, we went shopping on Amazon. There's no other option
Always.
here. So we got the quick link balloon set, and it includes 10-inch balloons and 5-inch balloons in a quantity that we will list below. And it was about $15, and we're gonna make a super impressive balloon curtain for a party. For $15, you can't make anything more impressive than you can with balloons. I'm just convinced of it. So
Yeah.
anyway, here we go. So we're gonna blow these up. They don't get tied together, unfortunately. They're tied individually, and then when we're done blowing them up, the nubbins get tied together and make
The
a
nipples.
curtain. It's a nipple. I didn't want to say it, but
I did. So.
it's a nipple. All right, so we're gonna blow these up so you don't have to listen to the obnoxiousness, and then we'll come back. Should we time it? How many beers you think?
One beer.
I'm thinking 1 beer if we nurse it.
Okay. Let's see.
Here we go.
Be back.
So hey, Omegos, we did an oopsie no bueno, and our phone did not record us finishing the balloon curtain. So we're going to give you a quick synopsis, a brief one, if you will, but what we did, and then we'll show you our finished product. So we've tied all the balloons together, but keep in mind these came in a pack. It was $120 on Amazon for $15, and it was a pack of 6-inch balloons and 12-inch balloons. But we blew some up all the way, max capacity, and some less capacity. So all of these are 2 different size balloons. So you can see this guy and his homie, they're the same size balloon, but this one's blown up at max capacity and that one's at a half. There we are. So all we did was we tied ends to ends. We're calling this one a nipple, the part that came with it. It's not tied, it's just a little nippy. And then that's a
that's the
balloon
butt.
knot, the butt, if you will. We're going to tie them together with varying lengths. I got you.
Okay.
Your fingers are sore from all the
They
work
are
that we
sore.
did not show.
We didn't.
So it's a quick tie.
Sorry,
And
guys.
now we got our whole length. So we're going to show y'all putting them on the string that we already had outside before we realized that we didn't record. And we'll show you the finished product. What?
But what we did before we did that, we laid all of them on the ground.
We did.
Make sure you vacuum and sweep because you'll get hair on it.
Yeah, if you think you vacuumed enough, you did not. You didn't.
Yeah, so we laid them all on the
Yeah.
ground. We just got a picture of how we wanted them laid out, long and short, long, short.
Yeah.
And then we tied the string
Then we
on.
did. But there's different things you can do too. If you don't want to do what we did, the long, short, long, short, long, short, you can do the arc. So you can do longer on the ends, shorter in the middle, or you can do the opposite where it's a V and do shorter on the ends, longer in the middle. It just depends on what you want.
Yeah,
But
whatever you want.
we thought it was pretty agreeable to do long, short, long, short.
Yeah, it looks good. So.
All right, we're going to go outside. So come with us.
Okay, so we're just tying it onto the string now, and we did that with all of them. We took one off to show you all since it wasn't recording.
So we don't have a lot to work with. I almost got it. Stop judging me. I feel your judgment.
And then, yeah, when we tied him up here, we didn't do all the same size. We did a big one, a medium one, small one, medium. And then make sure you put space in between. Don't put them so close together because it'll look weird.
But also the coolest thing is, if you're like, oh, my spacing may be weird, watch this, y'all. You can slide it
Yep. Just slide it on
All the way.
over.
all the way, halfway. They are mobile.
Okay.
So we had some on the bottom that were too long. What was our solution?
It was dragging on the ground, so you just cut them off.
Yeah.
And we actually had enough to make another balloon
We
and
did.
space them out even more.
Because the thing
So-
about concrete is, if they're dragging, even though they're cute now, they're going to pop and they're going to scare the shit out of people.
Like
I'm
Teresa.
people. It scares me. I'm apparently a cat.
She screams like a banshee.
I do. I'm scared with loud noises about them. So here's our finished product. Isn't she cute? And it's going to be for a little boy's pool birthday party. So we wanted them to look like bubbles. I think we did good.
Because of the pool, yeah.
Because of the poo. But also another fun thing. So right now it's a curtain, but you can also draw them back and time. They're squirrely.
You
They're
got it.
squirrely. Time. So figuratively speaking, you can tie these bitches back. See,
Yep.
and it looks like an indoor curtain.
Uh-huh.
You just tie it to the column there. Trust me, it works. Just imagine it. Imagine with us. Imagine dragons.
Also, you'll see you have your little
Tails.
extras coming out. Oh, I didn't bring my scissors.
I got 'em.
They're over there. So, oh, and there's hair. Get it?
It's me.
Jessica.
Jessica.
So all you gotta do is just don't cut off the nipple parts because it'll deflate the balloon
Yeah, unless you want to.
if it's at the bottom. But you just take it and you snip them off
Don't be scared.
to make them shorter.
You can
Let's
snip the
do
nip
this one.
too. Snip a nip.
This one is a nip, but
a
it's
nipple.
fine because it is tied.
Yes.
And I'll clean it up.
That is so clean.
It really
So
is.
fresh and so clean.
Yeah.
Do you know that song?
Nope.
Probably not. Okay.
Okay, guys. Well,
I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up.
yeah.
This only took
Questionable.
us 4 beers.
Yeah,
So-
about 4 beers. 20 minutes?
22-ish.
No, 30 minutes?
Maybe 30.
But anyway,
We'll give it
really
an
is-
A to D30.
Yeah. If you have friends or even kids help you, it'll go even faster.
Yeah. Make kids work for you.
Yeah.
They like it.
That's what they're for, right?
Exactly. So again, $15 for this wall of impressive balloonage. And it's a selfie background too.
You look so pretty.
Thank you. I felt it.
Start. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the little bell so you get notifications.
Steph.
Huh?
Share.
Share. Share. And
Share.
comment. If you can't do any of those, at least do just like it. So,
Yeah, it's real easy. It's just the push of the button.
okay, until next time, guys.
Bye.